404. Ooh, I was close there. 418 right there. Almost.
What's this thing getting like?
Heads cam, valve covers.
Nice. It's been a while since you touched an LT1, hasn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit. I think since I've been here, it's not been LT4s.
It all comes in waves.
Well, except for that one with the orange valve covers.
Yeah, I just about.
Yeah. Get right to the cam swap. Moving right along.
Everything over under 10, he's fucking.
Oh, Eric's the biggest.
Hopefully 100%.
That's already got the heads back on,
Nice,
cam back
dude.
in. Everything on this. He's rocking and rolling. This thing getting a set of valve covers?
Sure is.
What color are they? White?
Couldn't tell you. I have not opened the box.
Guess we'll find out. Looks like Matt got both K-Tech valve covers on. Paint matched white, looks pretty good. Getting started on the MSD now. Coming out pretty good.
I thought you said, did we always use the silver?
Still silver.
Oh, De Silva?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't fucking. I've never even put an aftermarket one on.
Oh, really?
Matt got the MSD on, Rotofab. Working on the coils right now. This thing should be ready to start up soon. How you making out on this thing?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Don't love what's going on with this hose, but
Hey, it works.
Okay, now that I have my HP tuners cable, 2019 6th gen Camaro. Just kidding, I'm actually in a Bentley. Rolls Royce. I forget what cars have them. Got our full stage 4 package. So full heads, cam package, Cook's long tube headers with cats, Rotofab air intake. I guess it was already on here. MSD, Nick Williams 103, flex fuel, our valve covers, and it came from Jacksonville, Florida. And it baselined 505. Well, I guess he has a dyno sheet in here from when he did it before. It made 505. Sorry, it baselined 405. He has a dyno sheet in here from when he got it before, and it dynoed 426, 428, 428. Yeah, and it's actually the same kind of dyno I have. So for all of you that say our dyno reads high, it's a 424X with a Lynx, which is exactly what I have now. This is on SAE, ours is on STD, so STD would technically even read higher than SAE. So take that for what it's worth. For everyone that says our dyno reads high, I don't know what to tell you. Let's see what she's got. It's on pump gas. It's got like 50,000 miles or something on it, right? 50, almost 58,000 miles on it. Let's see what we got. Let me make sure this thing's warmed up enough, because I'm not sure it is. I didn't have it running very long. I guess this, I'm not sure why this thing doesn't show oil temp. Maybe he doesn't have it set up that way. I'm not even sure if you can set it up that way, but yeah, no, I think he has it off on there in the performance thing. Let's see what it says in here. 140, it's okay. It was really rich too. Not really rich, but rich enough. Full point rich. Okay, let's go. A little leaner than it should have been. And it's not letting me flash the trans file for some reason. Let's see what we got. Try and shift. I didn't adjust.
Where'd that come from?
What?
40 wheel.
The same thing that where it comes from on all the 10 speeds. I explained to you yesterday.
Drive thing?
Yeah. 546. 455 torque. Oh, we're not recording either? Fuck. The good old, you know, wonderful Dynojet products. The button brakes, they break about once a year. You know, 200 bucks for a remote. So we'll see. Torque, probably about it on pump gas. Do you have E ready for this thing or no? Let's see how much is in it. We can probably just dump it all in it. We'll put some E in this thing. Be right back. I also we forgot to record the screen, so you guys won't see any of those pulls. So the last pull. All right, got 37% in it. It's also nice and heat soaked now because I'm trying to mix the E around. So what we got? $560. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Still the same E, 37%. We're gonna make this pull and then we're gonna dump more E in it. Thing 560, 465. Dump more in it and try and get it up over like 50%. We'll be right back. All right, dumped a little more in it. It's up to 44, basically 45% right now. So let's see what we got. Another 5 gallons. So. $562. I didn't click it over in the drive fast enough, but he actually went up a little bit. I guess it wasn't fully cycled around. It's at 48%. I think these wheels are killing the power. I'm wondering if it had these wheels on it on this dyno. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure the customer would know, but I'd be curious. Heavy wheels kill numbers, by the way. I'll make one more pull and then I'm gonna let it cool down. $560. We'll let this thing cool down. We'll be back. Okay, just let this thing cool down for a little bit. 48% in it. Let's see what we got. Here you go. We're 64. We're 77. My guess is that's about all this thing's got. I'm gonna do some trans tuning. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do one more pull and then I'll do a trans. Click on that. 566, 478. That's all she's got. I just got to change the trans back to how it was. Because obviously I had it set to not shift when I'm on the dyno. I'm going to do some trans. I'll do a 4, 5, 6. Pretty solid, if you ask me. I'd say this thing is donezo. Later.